In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process that you can implement today and start making hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to make money with content locking. So for those who don't know what content locking is, you can think of it as a way of making money by giving people something they want, usually digital files. So once they complete CPA offers for you, they are going to get access to that digital files. In return, you make money after they complete the CPA offers. So basically everybody wins. All right. So now I'm going to be showing you how to do everything right in this video. So the first thing you will be needing is a CPA network, and there are numerous CPA networks out there that you can use for absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, so basically if you don't want to use OG ads, you can come over to use CPA Grip. It's going to work as well. We also have CPA Lead, and you can use AdWork Media as well. So the process remains the same. So once you've created an account with any CPA network of your choice, you want to head over to this website called pixabay.com, and you want to come over to this section that says sound effects. As you can see right here, there are numerous sound effects that you can download for absolutely free on this website. As you can see right here, royalty free sound effects, which means you can use them and you can give them away for absolutely free, as you can see right here. So basically you can repeat this same process for any of these categories right here, but I recommend you go for sound effects, and I'm going to tell you why in a moment. All right, so once you download any file here, all right, to download any file, all you just need to do is click on this download button right here. So once you click on that, as you can see, it has been downloaded to my PC right away. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to host this file on any free hosting website out there. You can see we have Mediafire. You can use for shared Mega. You can use ZBShare. You can even use Google Drive if you want, but I recommend you use this website right here, uploadforever.com. As you can see right here, there are a lot of people who have made money with this website, and the minimum payout is $1. As you can see right here, some people have gotten paid for today $1. As you can see right here, you can see someone even got paid over $50 right here. All right, you can see another person here, $21 right here. So definitely people are making money with this website. You can check other pages for payment proof as well. As you can see right here, over 900 pages of payment proof on this website. All right, so basically it's simple. All you just need to do is upload any file to this website, and once people download that file, you make money. It's that simple. So basically you don't have to use this website right here. It's just a way to make extra money instead of using the likes of Mediafire.com for shared Mega or deposit files, which you don't make any money from at all. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to create an account if you don't have one already. It's virtually simple. All you just need to do is click on the sign up button. So once you have your account created, everything is going to look like this. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this upload files. All right, and once you click on this upload file, you want to choose the file we just downloaded. All right, as you can see right here, door clicking sound effect. So all I just need to do is click on start upload. And as you can see, it has been uploaded. So all you just need to do is click on the file. As you can see, these are links. So the next thing you want to do is, if you go over to YouTube, you can see these sound effects are getting a lot of views. You can see this one about 1.7 million views already. And as you can see, they don't even have any fancy thumbnail at all. All right, as you can see, this one right here is getting 46 views per hour. So if I click on this video right here, all right, you can see now, if you go to the description of this video right here, you can see this is a file sharing website right here called File Upload. So if I click on that link, as you can see, this website also, you can use this website too if you want. So basically all what the visitor needs to do is download this file right here. So once they click on this free download, you make money. So as you can see, this website too is another option. If you don't want to use uploadforever.com, you can come over to use fileupload.com. As you can see right here, they have also paid over $700,000 to their members. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to go over to OG Ads, and you want to create a content locker. All right, so basically all you just need to do is click on create content locker. All right, so I'm just going to create a new content locker right here. All right, so basically you want to type in sound effect here. All right, but it doesn't matter. This is just to keep you organized. And the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure this is set to redirect to another URL. And then you want to go back to this website to grab that download link. And then you are going to paste the link in this box right here. Okay, so before you click on create locker, you want to come over to this advanced section. And here you want to set as many leads as you want. The more leads you set, the more offers they need to complete before they can have access to download the file. All right, so usually I always set mine to 2. All right, so once you set whatever number of conversions you want, so the next thing you want to do now is come over to this desktop specific. All right, so basically you just want to type something simple like this right here. Okay, and you want to do the same thing for the mobile specific as well. You want to change it to this, and also you want to make sure you set this to CPI, then CPA, then pin. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on create. The next thing you want to do is you want to copy the content locker link right here. All right, so if I paste this in a new tab, so as you can see right here, they have to complete 2 offers below to begin download. So basically all they need to do is complete these offers right here, which usually is email submit. All they just need to do is sign up for a chance to win any of these giveaways, and that way you are going to make money in your CPA account, and they get to download this sound effect right here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to Google and type in convert MP3 to MP4. So basically you can see there are numerous websites here that you can use to convert these MP3 files to MP4. So once you've converted those files, all you just need to do is upload them to YouTube, and you want to leave your content locker link in the description for them to download the video. All right, so you want to repeat the same process for as many sound effects as you can find on this website right here, because if you go over to YouTube, you can see right here these sound effects are getting hundreds of views per hour. As you can see, this one 128, this one 695, and I kid you not, so many of them are going to go over to your they are going to click your content locker link just to download the sound effect in the highest quality. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you like this video, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.